Common winter birds are busy here at the University of Guelph Arboretum. They are trying to find food sources, and we often give them a helping hand. If you visit the Arboretum in the winter, you're likely to notice mourning doves, black-capped chickadees, the northern cardinal, downy woodpeckers, and dark-eyed juncos. More rarely seen are the eastern bluebirds. These eastern bluebirds are hanging out by the bird feeder by the Arboretum Centre. However, unbeknownst to them, one of them is about to become the food. A sharp-shinned hawk has made an attack and found its meal. Sharp-shinned hawks are birds of prey and are one of 14 diurnal, or daytime, birds of prey that can be found here at the Arboretum. The sharp-shinned hawk is the smallest hawk in North America and is an avid hunter of songbirds, like one of our eastern bluebirds. They hunt by moving fast through dense woods or out from the trees to surprise their prey. These hawks can come out of the trees and grab birds that hang out at the local bird feeder. This may seem gruesome and cruel, but don't feel too bad. Everything needs to eat, especially in the hardships of winter. We are happy at the University of Guelph Arboretum to house these top predators that keep our ecosystems in balance.